Welcome! Come in. This is literally the vibes. This is a fucking piece of hair. Okay. Yeah, very nice, very high-tech, very clean. Oh shit. Is my bedroom the cleanest right now? No. This dresser gave me so much headache. Like she's rainbow. Like the shit is so cool. I put my snack very far because I have no self-control. Stop! Like it's literally like closing on me. Okay. Will Via be re-signing the lease here? Do I regret moving in here? Welcome! Come in. Today we're gonna be doing an apartment tour, okay? She is currently furnished. Well, I don't really know how to say it because, wait, she's not furnished. If you know me, I'm like kind of like a minimalist. I don't have a lot of stuff, but anyways, we're gonna do an apartment tour. That was the entrance you came in. This is the light. And you can see I have a little shoe racket here, which is like the main shoes I have. And this is new. This right here is the Shark Flex vacuum. My parents came over the other day and you know them, you know Asian parents, they love bringing stuff over. This is actually really cool because the thing is that you vacuum this at night. I'm sure it's real fast. Hashtag not fucking sponsored, but this is really cool. My parents showed me. You see that? Did you see that light? Okay, hold on, I need to shut the fuck up. Wait, this is an apartment tour. But anyway, did you see how like... It's cleaning the thing. So basically like basically, you don't have to empty it, so very good for those of you guys who are lazy as fuck, aka me. Anyways, you come in. This is like a little shoe rack here. There's like more shoes down here. So this is my little dryer and washer, and this place gives me such a fucking headache. You know what? I'll save the... Why say a fucking piece of hair? Okay, I'll save the rant for later. Now that she is furnished, this is what the crib looks like. First of all, when you walk in, this is the kitchen. It's a high ceiling sort of apartment, which is why I got her, because she's really nice. I think this is like the only storage space I have. I have a bunch of coats, I have my suitcases, some stuff here. Honestly, if you come closer, hold on, let me turn on the lights. Up there's actually like more room, but the thing is that I don't want to build it. I'm too lazy to fucking build it. And the thing that's really cool about this is that it's a sensor. So whenever you open the door, yeah, it just opens the lights. Anyway, this is my fridge. It's not magnetic. So you know how people can like stick things onto the refrigerator? I can't do that because this is fucking wood. Anyways, so this is my little fridge. I literally need to stock up on some grocery. This is a bunch of face masks that I have. Yeah, I like to put my face mask in the refrigerator, and an ice cream. And then this is like the real frozen aisle. I do think that my frozen section is not that big. But anyways, I do really like this fridge. I feel like all the appliances in this very new, which I really like. Anyways, this is like my little kitchen area. You guys see me make a lot of food. This is new. My parents got this for me. This is a rice cooker. I really needed one. I think this part is like the steamer thing. Yeah, very nice, very high-tech, very clean. Oh shit, okay. So then here are my little thing. These are my little pods that I have that I make my little coffee. My friend got this for me. This is like an air fryer slash oven sort of thing. And then this is an air fryer. We have a little steamer thing. We have some persimmon in the back. My little matcha, and then whisk, whatever. And then we have a lot of storage, as you can see. There's some stuff here, you know, these are like matcha, coffee, pancakes, whatever. And then this is my snack aisle. I put my snack very far to make me want to eat it less because I have no self-control. And this is like all the plates and such. So, and this is my little sink. She's a little gross, but anyways. So this is my kitchen. This is like where I cook and shit. I didn't know this, okay? This was something when I first moved in. I did not know that I do this to have like the vents go up and also the lights. Never ever use this thing, okay? I don't know if it's super Asian of me, but I use it as storage. Yeah, I just don't use this oven because it's too fucking big. Anyways, this is this little area. The microwave is in here. We have a bunch of seasonings, and it's so deep in there that I honestly don't know what the fuck is in there anymore. Anyways, you have them little cabinets. I don't know what's in here. Okay, yeah. We don't need to go through that. This is my little thing. I got this from Lulu in Georgia. Almost all my furniture is from Lulu in Georgia. I think the sofa was gifted, maybe something else, but I bought most of this with my own money because I love their stuff. So here is my little table. This is like a little marble table. Do you guys know when I first apartment hunted, I really wanted a kitchen island. And when I moved in here, I was like, okay, we're not gonna get a kitchen island, and that is okay. I'm gonna buy it myself. So this is a little kitchen island, really nice. I think it's like the perfect size. It really matches with like the overall kitchen, which I did not expect. And usually I do all my stuff here. I need to probably wipe this down. It's feeling kind of gross, but currently writing down what I'm gonna get at the grocery. Bread, fake meat, eggs, onion, juice, and cucumber. And I really like that there's like these little cubby, I don't know if this is called cubby, but there's like these little areas where you put a lot of stuff in. And then here are just like 2 chairs. Chairs are separate. Chair didn't came with it. I remember the first time I bought the chairs, they were too high. So then I bought another one, the perfect size. That's the kitchen. And this is new. This I bought a mirror because I was like, I kind of need a mirror. I didn't know where else to get the mirror. So I got this. This is really tall because I'm like 5'6". I think this might be 7 feet tall, I don't know. But she's really heavy. And when it first came, it was actually broken. So they had to like send it again. And ignore the suitcase. I just came back and I bought a bunch of clothes. I unpacked it. These are some clothes I'm trying on. Here's my little Twitch setup that honestly, this monitor's fucking huge, okay? And this PC, I did some research and I was like, you know what, let's just buy a pro gamer setup. And for fuck's sake, I don't even game. So honestly, when you look at this, like I don't know if you can like envision how big this thing is. It's like so fucking big. So whenever I stream, a lot of you guys are like, oh my god, the camera's like so high up. Babe, it's because this thing is so big. But anyways, this is like little gamer setup. I have like 2 fucking lights. I don't know why I did that. Honestly, I can't sit in front of the monitor for too long or else my eyes are gonna fall out of my face. Anyways, it's Sunday. Actually, I do like this monitor. She's really pretty. Like if you're wondering where I stream, this is where I stream, okay? Usually this is my setup. I have to have a light on top and bottom. You definitely don't need this. It was because I bought this first and I felt like the light was not that good, so I bought another one. Yeah, and then this is like my little PC thing, which is honestly super cool. It's like rainbow. Like, do you see that? Like she's rainbow. Like this shit is so cool. Except that it's hidden in the corner and nobody fucking sees it. Next is the living room, okay? Living room. I actually do like my living room the most. Like I did miscalculate with my sofa. So if you're like, oh, your sofa looks kind of big. Yeah, I agree. I think like I just thought my place would like be so big, but it's just not that big, okay? So the sofa, I think it makes it cozier and everything. Also the curtains, I really do like my little curtains. I stay here most of the time. And usually I eat on the ground, I sit on the ground. And this is literally the vibes. And couch is from Lulu in Georgia. I don't know where this was from. This was like half price drapes or something. I don't remember. I had to do a custom made because the ceilings were so high. I remember I bought it from West Elm and they were too short and it just was not flattering. But anyways, my friend got me this. It's like a very fuzzy blanket. Everyone needs a fuzzy blanket, okay? Fuzzy blankets are very important. This is the lamp that I got recently and she fits the vibes well. I just think it's really cute. I do think that if I were to go back in time, I don't think I would have purchased this because this here is literally cardboard. When you feel it, it's giving cheap. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this wire sticking out, but honestly, if you look closely around my place, there's always some sort of wire sticking out. I don't know how to hide it, but it's okay. Anyways, this is my view of the other building. Like I don't even have an actual view, and I realized ever since moving to New York, I realized how important it is to get some sunlight and to see the sky, and I don't see the sky, so it's okay, whatever. Anyways, these are the 2 plants. They were given by friends. I personally don't like to buy plants because I find them to be a big commitment, but it does liven up a place really well. So this was a TV that I bought back from my last place in New York. I bought it with my housemate, and so at the end I got it. And along with this TV stand, in here it's just like some games, some art supplies. And if you're wondering, this was something that you guys taught me. This black cord right here is called the Ethernet. So apparently, if your internet is too slow, you connect it to the actual like, what is it called? Mode, something. I don't know what this is called, but you connect it with the actual internet thing and it just makes it faster. So if you're streaming, get one of those. You guys taught me that. Anyways, welcome to my bedroom. Is my bedroom the cleanest right now? No, but you know what's okay. You can come in. So this is my bedroom. You might be like, this layout is a little odd. And I'm gonna be like, I agree with you. I agree. Because what the fuck? Like literally the dresser right next to my bed. I just feel like this room would just be such a good dressing room. Like if I take out the bed and I add in another dresser, it would have been perfect. But I miscalculated. But you know, you live and you learn and it's fine. My bed is very plain. I think this bed that I have, I think I used it for about like 3 to 4 years now. I really like it. I bought it from IKEA. I personally just like beds that are very thin and very hard. Like honestly, if you let me sleep on like a piece of flat wood, I would, because it's very good for my back. Blanket, not the most ideal. I could find a better blanket. I like heavy weighted blanket, and this one's just kind of too light, but you know what, whatever. And pillow, I like a very hard pillow. Curtains, the same as the other one. I like how this curtain looks, very heavy. And this is my little dresser. For those who know, you know, this dresser gave me so much headache, like so much headache. The fact that I need to come here 3 times, get the shit done. But honestly, she does look very beautiful. But when I move, will this be intact? I don't know. That's a very good question, and I don't want to think about it. So anyways, currently I am in the midst of organizing my stuff. If any of you guys film like get ready with me, I highly recommend you to get one of these. For me, like I either film here or my bathroom. If I'm gonna film stuff, I'm gonna collect all the items and I'm gonna bring it over there. I think this is just like a cute little thing, very portable. One of my favorite blow dryers, this is the T3 blow dryer. I think their stuff give off very coquette. It's like very like pinkish Barbie. It's really cute. And so in my drawer, it's basically just a bunch of makeup, and I moved everything from here to here. I think like I'm already 6 months into my lease, and I think I've just given up. Like I just don't really care about making things look pretty. I think it'll be cool if I had like some shelves. Maybe I can do it myself, but this is the new projector that I got, which I highly recommend. She's a little pricey, but she's really good. She's the Wimius, W-I-M-I-U-S. She's really good. She autofocuses really well. The quality of it is literally giving TV. Some perfumes I have, some makeup in the back that I just keep there. And then this section, don't know what the fuck these are my pasties. This is the thermal. And here are just a bunch of clothes I have, hanging up a bunch of dresses that I'm currently not wearing. Jeans, honestly, I should probably clean this up, but you know, it's okay. That bag is literally just, it's a blanket. If you think this is messy, wait until you see this. She's not a walk-in closet, but you know, it's nice. It keeps a lot of things in there. And I know, like if you're like, what the heck is this thing? Also, she has sensor. I do like that feature. Yeah, these are just some bags I have. I do think that I should probably organize this better. But for those who remember, this was like the little things that I got on Facebook Marketplace, and she was very heavy. I don't know what they were called. They were like the things from IKEA. You know what's the funny thing? Like literally these days, I alternate between like 2 sets of clothes. So I don't even know what I have to see. Stop! Like it's literally like closing on me. Okay. Anyways, let me just show you the other side in case you're wondering what the other side looks like. Not too different. Literally, I just need to like take a moment and just shout out to Poland. This is a very cute bag. Bunch of clothes here. Should organize it, but personally for me, when I go to sleep, like the way I have to close is all the way to make sure it doesn't open. Because if it opens just slightly, I feel like someone's watching me in my scared. So, and I get questions on this, like, what is this? What is this big tub of this thing? It's the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream. Okay, it's like the best. And yeah, I just have a massive version of it, and I use it as a door stopper as well. Okay, and also if you saw, I literally have 2 air purifier because my room is dusty as fuck. So I have this one, which is really nice. This is the Levoit, and then there's another one, which is right here. This is the Winix, W-I-N-I-X. Anyways, last but not least, we're gonna go into the bathroom where the magic happens. So you can see that I have like 2 lights. There's like that little bulb of light, and then we have another one that's like the main light. If you look closely, also again, you'll see that I have water filter almost everywhere. This is not the original doorknob. Originally, I had to like change the water filter, and I probably have to change it again because I feel like my skin is acting up again, so not great. The water here gives me a whole headache, okay? This is just a filter, baby. I also have a filter in the bathroom. And the things that I can't put this in the kitchen because the faucet doesn't link up where you can add a filter. But anyways, this is my little thing. You know what's really funny? I got this, but the funny thing is that I don't really use this that much. Currently cleaning out like my skincare stuff. Here are just some stuff I've been using. I might add more, I might take out some, but these are just some of the skincare that I've been liking. So I do really like the mirror right here. It's really nice. I've always wanted like a mirror where it's like you open it and there's storage. Before I always thought like when I filmed, like it fucks with the vibes when there's a light bulb on one side, so it just doesn't light up my entire face. But honestly, I've gotten to really fucking like it. I really do like my bathroom besides the water quality. Something I don't really like about this bathroom is that this sink is too in there, okay? Too much space right here, so this air always gets wet, okay? Get into Q&A session. I ask myself the questions and I give myself the answers. Okay, will Via be re-signing the lease here? No. Here's just an honest, unfiltered answer because like, you know, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. For those who saw my apartment hunting video, you knew that like I saw so many different places. Do I regret moving in here given the circumstance I was in like, you know, when I was apartment hunting this year, right? This summer. No, because I think out of all the apartments I've seen, this was the prettiest one. It looks very, very pretty. I love that it's high ceiling. I love the lights and it's just the vibes is really nice. It's perfect for one person. Out of all the options I've seen that was willing to take my application, this was the best. You guys saw I was rejected like a lot of times, and this was honestly like the best out of all of them. But there was a lot of things I did not see coming. Take this as a word of advice if you're apartment hunting in New York. I realized how important it was for me to see the sky. Like at least sun comes in here, but just having my view be another building is not the best. I realized like in New York, buildings are very tall. It's really weird because I just went to Boston and I realized like, you know, there's not that many tall buildings. Like when you look out, you see the sky. But when you look out in New York, it's mainly just tall buildings. And I mean like, that's what you sign up for, whatever. But next, I always say this and everywhere, you guys probably get so sick of me saying this, water quality. I don't know how you can test water quality when you're apartment hunting. That I don't know. I think maybe you can get like a piece of paper to see the water, but water quality really matters because for those of you who are breaking out, check your water. It could be skincare, it could be other stuff, it could be like dirty bed sheets, whatever, but check your water quality. Yeah, when I moved in here, I did not expect the water quality to be bad, and honestly, that stresses me out all the time because that's not something I can fix. Like, yes, I can get a filter, but that thing doesn't, you know, it doesn't filter it like 100%. Also, construction. For those who see my vlogs, you hear that upstairs there's like drilling because the ceiling and the ground is kind of thin. But lucky me, the person who's up there, they're never home. Like apparently someone told me that they're like abroad in France or somewhere. They're currently doing construction upstairs. So like a standard 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. So I would hear like the drilling, which is really, really bad. So I have to like leave in the morning. And then dryer is very, very dusty. So just imagine you washing your clothes and it comes out dusty. And trust me, I cleaned the air, what is it called? The vent. I cleaned that up. So it's like, you know, that is clean. And honestly, the past week I've been thinking about whether I want to live in New York. That's another thing. I was thinking maybe next year, Leah might not live in Manhattan anymore. Some of you guys recommended me to check out Jersey. So maybe next year I might move to Jersey. I don't know. I literally went to Jersey City the other day and the vibes were really nice. Like the buildings were not that high. It was a lot more chill. There was a lot of like students, like kids. So I don't know. It gives off the vibes that, I don't know, the water might be clean. Because right now I'm in the downtown area. I don't know if the water here is just like bad. And then I posted this one thing online. New York has better water quality than Jersey. And I'm like, so I don't know if it's just because this building has older pipes. And I'm so sorry that I'm like literally so hyper fixated on this, but literally bad water goes into your body, goes on your skin. I think it's very important. So you guys can give me some feedback on what you guys think, like which place has better water quality, you know? I think literally in half a year, in like 6 months, I'll be apartment hunting again. What I'm gonna literally fucking do is get pH paper. And literally as I tour the apartments, I'm literally gonna see what's the pH of every single apartment that I go to. Anyways, I am not planning on putting up paintings and such because, you know, I've only drilled like a few holes here. It's only for the pole because that was needed for the curtain to go up. Other than that, I don't think I drilled any holes because I don't want to deal with that, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this little apartment tour, and this is my version of Furnished. If I move out within a year, I don't need to like make the place super like, you know? Yeah, I thought I'd make one of these because I see everyone making them online. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any neighborhoods you guys recommend for me to move to for next year, but I'll see you guys all next week.